Hey everybody, it's Matt at Sparkle Farm. This is the new crawler coming to the property. It's the 1955 John Deere C40. That is the Ford running on the other side. This needs a battery, but we need to get it off the trailer first. So we're just going to jump it, and then we're going to have it running when I go and back it into the shop. We'll unload it in there, but we wanted to get it running on the outside here first while it's easy to jump it. So we're doing a double battery. So that's coming from the dozer to this battery that I put in a couple months ago, and that's going to the Ford. The Ford has an old battery in it, so it's like 32 degrees right now, so I'm sure that's not helping that. So alright, let's try again. We are several times. So this is the old dipstick heater, and you know it's good. It works good because it's just two-prong. That means it's old. Alright, so we are going to let this thing sit for a little while and warm up everything. Maybe it's chillier out here than I thought. Alright, so we're going to let this thing warm up a little bit, and then we're going to get it into the barn. Alright, so that white's out there, or that bright spot, that is the dozer. This is our, let's see if it'll color correct. I guess not, but I got, here it goes. 4 sheets of 3/4 inch plywood. This is going to be the dozer's landing pad. I still consider this messed up floor. Tons of spots, but very little nicks. And these grousers are, I'll show them to you, but they're at least 1 inch. And I don't want to shred this floor with this thing. So let's see how good of a job I do backing up. right? We put it up on a jack stand. So this here is where the dozer mounts, like the outside frame ones. So this just has the loader arms on it. So, but that's not going anywhere. So we're gonna jack, we jacked it up on the inside and jack stand under. So we loosened this spring up, and we're gonna put some more penetrating oil on, and we got to pound it in, and then we can take the track off. So here's the master link. So we're gonna pop that, flip the chain or the track all the way that way. It's actually pretty loose. Okay, that wasn't so bad. It seems to spin all right. So actually, I don't think I told you what our plan was. So we have to take this all apart to get to the clutch plate in there to change the discs out because they're all rusty. Because we can't disengage anything to turn. So it drives, but that's it. I'm sure he did never see them. Doesn't come out that easy. Do you know how to tell if these are good or bad?
They fit on the track good, so.
So how many years ago was this taken apart?
Huh?
25 years ago?
Probably.
So this was done already once, 25 years ago. The guy that did it never seized everything.